Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Great Western Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Great Western Bank, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Great Western Bank. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the type of account you have, whether it's personal or business. After making your selection, you will be directed to the appropriate login page. On this page, locate the fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the Remember Me box. Once you're ready, click the blue login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your information. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it if you need to reset your password. Follow the prompts to recover your account access. Once logged in, explore your account features safely and securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.